real quick fix here with our drop point or our low point valves. These are just super old, leaking. One of them was cracked, not working at all, so cut them off. And we got these SharkBite. I don't know if you can read that, see it, but SharkBite push-in valves. Gonna try it out. We just got you can see them right there. Just gonna push these on. Let's check it. I don't want that sticking in. All right, well, let's see. Point of no return. Off. On. I don't know, I can't, you're not supposed to be able to get them back off, so. Jesus, they put them so fucking close together. There we go. I think they're both in. Locked in place. Yeah. The water open. I think we're good to go. That was fucking easy. Check those out. Those look nice. Hopefully they hold up. I don't know. $22.99 at a local hardware store.